Everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I have a few things to open for you today. I have some unboxing, so let's see. I have a bag charm, a new bag charm, a new bag, a new SLG, and a new something else, which we'll all see. But I'm going to start this out with my new bag. And my new bag is a bag that I made. And this is from Babylon Leather. This, it's similar to a Kelly bag. And the front's got to relax here a little bit, but...
It's so tense.
I love Babylon Leather. So this is their Kelly version. It's not a duplicate, should I even say that word? Though it doesn't have any branding or anything on it. And then it just opens up here to one slip pocket and then an empty container. I love these bags. I absolutely love these. Now this bag was gifted to me from Babylon Leather, and I do have a discount code you can use. I'll have a link to them down in the description box below. And I have a code. If you use Jame 10, you can get 10% off an order. But I love these. I had gotten a bag made for me by Naomi from Naomi Crafted. She made this for me. And I bought a similar bag in like the Mad bags like this. But I can't... These are so nice. I can't say that the Kelly's my favorite bag style they have, but I wanted to try one, and they gifted it to me, so I did it. I did all the sewing myself. It comes like this in a kit, and I love it. I love this bag, and I love these so much. Here is their one that's similar to an Hermes bag. This one is the 20 centimeter bag, and I put this all together. Now this one has the same color stitching versus...
I like the contrast on that one.
The contrast stitching. Like, I could go either way. It just depends on the bag for me.
Wait, what? You go either way?
Stop it. And I love these so much that I bought myself a bag from them. I used my discount.
Was that the discount double check?
But no, this one, I think it's like this, a 30 centimeter. Now you'll notice that Birkins don't come with...
shoulder straps.
Thank you, shoulder straps, but these do. But I love these kits are so inexpensive for what you're getting. It's really good quality leather. The leather smells amazing. I love that I made these myself. And, you put your own time and effort into it. So, yeah, I purchased this one on my own.
So do they send you the cow, or do they actually send you the leather?
They send me the leather cut out. I also did another bag. Beth from Just Beth, I'll link her down below. She sent me a Hermes ostrich printed, like ostrich leather bag, and that one didn't have all the holes all the way poked through, and the handles weren't put together. Excuse me. So I had to put it all together, and I was going to show it, but I thought, no, she gifted it to me. Excuse me. She knew I liked putting them together. She said she never would. So as a gift to her, I put it all together and sent it to her. And maybe she'll show it on her channel at some point. It turned out really great, but I love doing these. I love putting them together. And that's why I bought my own myself. I think these are, sorry, phenomenal bags for the price. I forgot what they come to around. I think it's under $200 for one of these. And I love this bag. And then, not only that, okay, well, first off, I should say, they all come with their, a lock, a removable, adjustable shoulder strap. And this is already all done for you. You don't have to sew this. They give you some, and I don't have them with me right now, but they come with twillies. I don't like putting my twillies on them, but they have those. So the hardware is great. It's not chintzy or anything like that. I can't say enough good things.
Feet?
They all have feet. That one has feet. these have feet. I didn't take the plastic off the feet, but then they also have this. Now, this comes with a teeny tiny little twilly. I had no idea how to tie this on. I'm not going to pretend I know how.
That's a bikini strap.
Because I don't. Let's just maybe I'll make it into a bow.
Not a Luke?
No. No, that looks dumb too.
Take it off.
But
take it off.
They have these on the site. I think they're like $30 or $35, and you get 10% off with my discount code. And these are little bag charms. Now, where can you get an all leather bag charm for like under $50? I don't know where you can, because bag charms are super expensive right now, and I just think that this is fantastic. And what was I gonna say? Where is, like you could even get one of these, like if you have a Labubu, so they could have their own little bag here. It's like a nice little size. So I have my little piggy, but you just put it together. It took just a few minutes. Now, okay.
Did he have roast beef?
No, he had none. No, but I'm buying some more of these. I'm just buying some more of these. They were super easy to put together. They're super cute, and they gifted me this one too. But I will be going on the website to buy myself some, because bag charms are super expensive lately. I mean, we see that, and this is all leather, and then it comes with nice hardware. And okay, it doesn't have feet, but I think at this size we're okay with that. I love these. So I can't say enough good things about Babylon Leather. I think they're really great. I've spent my own money on them. They have gifted me some things as well, but I'm only going to be honest about what I have. I can't think of anything that is bad about this. They have come with instruction videos. I will say that I think that the Kelly is a lot easier to put together than the Birkin style, except for the handles. They are horrible to put on. The handles here, they gave me a run for my money. I finally figured out how to get them on in a way that worked for me, but that was a job. The thing that's harder about this style is you do all the piping yourself, and it can be difficult. You have to line up every single needle hole. Like here, it came out perfect. You can see right where it comes together here. But if you don't line up every single one of these stitches to hole to hole, it's not going to be together right. When I was doing the one that I made for Beth, I had it wrong on the bottom. Luckily, it was only the last quarter that I got wrong, but I had to unpick it all and do it again because I have to have it right. But I love them. So down in the description box below, there's a link, 10% off using Jame 10. And I want to thank Babylon Leather for their generous gifts to me, both the bag charm and the Kelly bag.
If they put Cameraman 10 in, will they get anything off?
No.
Oh.
But maybe I'll ask for that next time.
Okay.
Okay. So let's see. So that's the bag charm and the bag. Now here's the something else. And you may have seen these already, but this is so... I know this is dumb.
Oh boy.
I bought into the hype.
Just this is dumb?
Yes.
Okay.
I bought into the hype. I wasn't going to.
You drank the Kool-Aid.
I did. And so many people didn't. I normally don't get FOMO, or not very bad, so I don't end up buying... Stop. I don't end up buying too many things, but this, I had to. So we're going to open this together. You can probably guess what it is even by where it's from. It's from Louis Vuitton. Here's like the receipt.
Kind of smushed.
In the little package.
Oh, it's in a little bag.
Little bag. Do you know what it is? I think you can guess what it is.
Is it a Louis Vuitton for your Labubu?
No.
Oh.
Although this almost looks like they could carry it. You could laminate this and make it into one of those, because Louis Vuitton actually makes a bag that looks like this out of leather. Looks just like this. We could laminate this and give it to our Labubus. And then they'd have like the Louis Vuitton bag. But even though this is just absolutely ridiculously, insanely priced, now you know what it is? What do I got here? Oh, they must give some samples too. I had to buy this. So I
So all that for that little thing?
bought some of the makeup.
Oh,
So this must be a sample of the rouge. Let's look at this, shall we? Okay.
is that Mulan?
Okay, no. So it's just got a sample of their rouge here
Those aren't pills?
to try. No. They're blush, basically. But I have two of the Dior lip glows. One's like a pink and one's a green color, like a just clear. I have the Gucci. I have 2 YSLs. I have Chanel. I don't have Hermes. I've held off on that one. And I don't know why, because that's cheaper than this. But I paid the $160 to try.
We should have bought my shoes.
Right? I bought him a whole bunch of stuff tonight. Oh, this is pretty. Look at it. It's got the LV embossed on there. Can you see it?
We can.
Okay.
We can't feel it, but we can see it.
You could feel it, though, if you had feel-o-vision. To buy. Comes in a nice little box. I guess I could keep the box.
Why?
I don't know what I'd do with it. I could put quarters in it. You want to keep everything you can at this price. Here's the tube. Just got the flowers and the, LV on it. And then there's the top. It's see-through. And I just got the lip gloss.
For $160?
Mm-hmm. Smells good.
Oh my God.
The refills are only about, what are they, 60 or 70? They're about
What a bargain.
they're about the same price as a normal, and it's magnetic. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
It does a trick.
Should for that price. What else does it do?
Right?
Can't be a one-trick pony.
That's magnetic too.
Oh, still the same trick.
So the price of the refills is about normal for most places, but this is ridiculous. But it's
lip gloss.
Pat McGrath was their head of this or whatever, and I don't know why I had to. I will say, out of all of them, it's probably this and YSL probably have the best looking tubes, most substantial. This probably looks a little ritzier even than the YSL, but
For 160, it should.
right? I know, it was crazy. I'm glad. I like it. I don't think I'll get anything else. I don't wear lipstick. I just wear lip gloss, so that's what I got, and I like it. It smells good. Maybe it tastes good too. I don't know. I don't think I'll even use the rouge here, but so I got that, and then last but not least, so let me kind of take my address off of here. I get, you get notified from different sites that you've purchased things from before.
So there's lots of them.
Yeah. So unfortunately or fortunately, I trust Fashion File. There's 3 sites I will buy pre-loved from. Fashion File and Yugi's Closet are probably my top 2 favorites. And then last would be the Real, but I do buy stuff from them as well. But I got a notice from Yugi's Closet that they were having 15% off everything. So then I always go look around, even though I don't need anything. We know I don't. Well, look, I get 10% off now too. And
it's like Kohl's Cash.
Right. They had this, and I'm like, this can't be what, for the price, it can't be what it. Well, okay, they had a private sale for 15% off, and then I saw this, and I'm like, there's no way that this is what I think it is for the price it was, and I just thought it wasn't, and I did some more checking, and they are really good about showing pictures and everything else on it. And so I looked, and sure enough, it's what it was, and it was something I was looking for probably about a year or so ago, and then it kind of fell off my radar. But when I saw it at the price it was at, with 15% off, I had to get it.
That's just screaming, buy me.
It was. Does it say anything? This item's been certified as authentic. Thank you, blah, blah, blah. It comes in the original dust bag. And I got this Fendi wallet in this, is it edamame color? So it's got this beautiful, like, smooth leather here, and then this is more of a stamped metal or pebbled metal.
Is it Renesmee?
And then it's got the silver hardware. And okay, so it opens up like this, where you can put dollars here and cards. Their cards go in here. And then this is the coin spot. They said it was like new. So it looks like the plastic is still all on the hardware here.
Wow.
So whoever had it never used it. Or at least they didn't take their plastic off it. And I love the color, and the price was really good too. It was less than half a retail. And they do still sell these. I don't think they have this color anymore, but I'm like, I'm getting it. I'm getting it for that. See, this is something I didn't need. I wasn't even looking for. And then you see it. I'm trying to take the plastic off.
We figured.
You see it, and the price is so good. You're like, how do I not buy that?
Wheels on the struggle bus go round.
It's true. So this is kind of a long video. I didn't mean for it to be this long, but I wanted to show you everything. So
we're at the 45-minute mark.
We are not. So that's what I have for you today. The wallet, a bag charm, and some lip gloss. Yeah.
So which was more expensive, the wallet or the lip gloss?
The wallet. The lip gloss was
we know, $160.
Anyways.
At least that's what you told us.
That is what it was.
Fibber McGee.
So I can't get this off right now.
We know.
I'm gonna set that down.
Under pressure.
Right. I'm just gonna set it down. But that's what I have for you today. Those are my unboxings for you today. And I appreciate you watching. Yeah, if you're looking for a nice leather Birkin-esque handbag, or Kelly, or they have tons of other styles. They have Celine styles, Coach styles. I can't say enough good things about them. Shipping is quick. I've been really pleased with everything. In fact, I'm in the middle of making another bag right now as we speak, because I love them. I love them. I think they're awesome, and at a fraction of the price of if you'd ever try to buy a real one. Yeah, so I had to share. But if you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I thank you so much for watching me today. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays, usually regarding luxury and contemporary handbag, small leather goods, perfume, makeup, ready to wear,
lip gloss,
type videos. Every other Thursday I do a book related video. On Mondays I do a bag swap, where I swap from the bag I'm currently using into a new bag. And then new small leather goods, and I show you all those as well. You can find me over on Instagram at James Jam. It's JAME_S_Jam. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Make sure you watch this Monday. Bag swap. She's going from paper to plastic.
She is not.